Heron's formula, class 9th mathematics, exercise 12.2. First questions we have to see here. A park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter, and CD is equal to 5 meter, and AD is equal to 8 meter. So how much area does it occupy? So इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये निकल के आ रहा है कि एक पार्क का जो शेप है वो क्वाड्रिलेटरल शेप है, यानी कि 4 साइड्स का है, 4 साइड से बाउंडेड एरिया है, तो उसका क्वाड्रिलेटरल शेप है, और जिसमें क्या है सी एंगल पे, यानी कि सी पॉइंट पे वहाँ पे एंगल जो है वो 90 डिग्री है, यानी कि सी वर्टिसेस पे एंगल जो है 90 डिग्री राइट एंगल बन रहा है, और ए बी का लेंथ गिवन है, बी सी का लेंथ गिवन है, और सी डी का लेंथ गिवन है, एंड ए डी का लेंथ गिवन है. सो हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल ऑफ द पार्क? So let us start. Firstly we have to draw the quadrilateral, the figure of park. So at point C is 90 degree. So this goes, if you have to assume this point C, then this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So this is B, A and D, A, B, C, D. So here given is C at point 90 degree, so 90 degree we have to draw. AB is 9 meter, AB is 9 meter, and BC is 12 meter. So BC is 12 meter, BC is 12 meter, and AB is 9 meter, AB is 9 meter, and CD is 5 meter, CD is 5 meter, CD is 5 meter, CD and AD is 8 meter. So it goes to 8 meter, 8 meter, and this is AB. AB is 9 meter. So this is the figure of the given quadrilateral park, quadrilateral type park. So from point B to D, firstly we have to make. So given quadrilateral ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD, and then we have to draw a diameter BD in figure. Then two triangles formed. Triangle BCD and triangle ABD is formed. So firstly we have to see in triangle BCD, because BCD is a right angle triangle, so the area of triangle BCD is goes to half into base into height, then this goes to half into base is 5 meter and height is 12 meter, then this goes to 2 6 are 12, so 5 6 are 30 meter square, So area of the triangle BCD is goes for 30 meter square, and the remaining area of ABD, how can you find the area of ABD? Because here is not the height and base is justified, so we have to apply the Heron's formula. So firstly we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle BCD according to Pythagoras theorem, that is BD square is goes to BC square plus CD square, then BC square is 12 square plus CD is 5 square, so it goes for 144 plus 25 169, then BD is goes for 13 meter, BD for 13 meter. So if BD is 13 meter, then this is 13 meter, then the area of triangle ABD according to the Heron's formula. Firstly we have to find the S is the semi perimeter, so A plus B plus C upon 2, because assuming the here A, this B and C, so A it goes for 13 plus 9 plus 8 upon 2, so this is goes for 13 plus 9 22 or 8, 30 upon 2 is good for 15. So S is 15. Then finally area of triangle ABD is root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Then put the value 15 into 15 minus A is 13, 15 minus 9, 15 minus 8. Then you have to solve them. So this goes for 15 into 2 into 6 into 7 meter square. So here no any one pair making in this situation, so we have to solve them. 15 to the 30, 36 the 180 and 187 the for 1260 root under 1260 meter square. So how can you find the root under 1260 meter square? So firstly you have to find the 1260 meter square, the square root. So 1260, if you have to find the square root of 1260, then you have to make pair. Then this is goes 3 3 are 9. So 3 3 6 and 9 3 6 0 is coming here and 3. So this goes for 5 5 5 are 25 and 5 6 5 are 32 32. Then it goes for 5 here. Then 5 4 5 2 3 0. Then this goes for 70. Then taken point given 20. Then 5. Almost 5. So almost 5. So 35.5 meter square almost. The area of the triangle ABD is goes for 35.5 meter square almost. So finally the area of the park. So finally area of the park is goes for area of the triangle BCD plus area of the triangle ABD. So area of triangle BCD is 30 meter square and then area of triangle ABD is got 35.5 meter square almost. So finally 65.5 meter square is the area of the park. Area of the park is 65.5 meter square. So finally the area of the park is 65.5 meter square. So I hope you got understand better. So please like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.